Hey, this is Dana Lynch of Amplify, and I was asked by April O'Leary to pull together a quick Twitter for Dummies. Not that any of you is a dummy, but I myself didn't know how to use Twitter not that long ago. And it's a wonderful tool for you to stay connected at this conference with the other attendees and to also stay connected with myself and a bunch of the speakers. So we thought that it would be great to teach you in advance of the conference how to set up Twitter on your phone so you're ready to go when we all arrive next month. So this is Twitter how-tos for hashtag U of Moms. We are going to be using the hashtag U of Moms to designate our tweets, and you will know what that means in a few seconds. But just keep that in mind. So first, you need to go to the App Store, either Google Play or the iTunes Store, and search for the words Twitter. You want to actually download this Twitter account, the one that has the actual bird and says Twitter, not TweetSuite or anything else, but the actual Twitter app. Okay? Click Sign Up after you download it and fill out the form to sign up. You'll want to be careful with your username. Have it be something short and sweet, but that definitely designates you. So if you can get your name, that's fantastic. If you can get an abbreviation of your business or an abbreviation of your name, that's perfect too. The idea is to have it be something that others can remember so they can find you. Once you've got that all set up and you get into your app, you are going to want to find people to follow. So what you may want to do is follow me. I'm at Dana Lynch Amp. You can also go into the materials that April sent and find the Twitter handles for all the rest of the speakers, including April herself, who you'll want to follow. Then you can get ready to tweet. So when you arrive at the conference or even before, if you want to tweet to say how excited you are or invite other people, you can do that now. But go ahead and in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click the icon with the pad and the quill. And that is going to open a pad for you to go ahead and draft your tweet. You have a limited number of characters, so you're going to want to keep it short and sweet. It's 140 characters total. You're also going to want to hashtag the important words, okay? U of Moms is the hashtag we're going to use to designate the conference. So for example, if anyone wants to hear what's happening at U of Moms, they'll search hashtag U of Moms. Anything you hashtag will be searchable. So understand that if you put in hashtag women entrepreneurs, anyone in the whole world who is looking for information on women entrepreneurs will be able to find your tweet. So it's really important to hashtag those terms that are important that people may search for later and your tweet will come up. You're always going to want to put hashtag U of Moms in all of the tweets from the conference because then they will show up on the Twitter feed that will be in all of the rooms so that we can see what's being said at the conference. Here are just some quick reminders of Twitter lingo. If you @reply to someone, it's a public tweet where the target person receives a notification. So if anywhere in your tweet you say @Dana Lynch Amp, I'm going to get a copy of that tweet in my box. So I'm going to know that you directly sent that to me. If you mention the person, same thing that happens. I am mentioned, I receive a notification. To RT is retweet. You can hit retweet to repost. So if someone says something fabulous at the conference and you want to basically true that, you go ahead and retweet it and it's sent out to all of your followers. As I said before, hashtags are used to mark the keywords or topics in a tweet, and they're searchable. They're hyperlinks, and when you click on them, they will bring up everything else that has that same keyword. So they're super important for searchability and to make sure that you come up in relevant searches. So today, when you're tweeting about the conference, or if you're watching this in advance, which I hope you are, when you are eventually tweeting at the conference, make sure you use hashtag U of Moms to be a part of the conversation. I hope this has been useful. I look forward to meeting all of you at the conference. I look forward to teaching you how to use technology to make your life easier, and this is just one of the ways to do that. Best of luck and happy tweeting.